Disassembly tips. Ensure that you take the following precautions when disassembling a unit. Label each cable as you remove it, noting its position and routing. This will make replacing the cables much easier and will ensure that the cables are rerouted properly. Keep all screws with the component removed, if applicable. The screws used in each component can be of different thread sizes and lengths. Using the wrong screw in a component could damage the unit. If the unit contains light-sensitive components such as motherboard, memory module, CPU, hard disk drive, graphic card, store the component in its original ESD packaging to avoid damage. Please read the description below for more details about tools used to removal and replacement, static electricity.
Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Remove the two 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the left trunk to the top cover. Remove the two 4.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left trunk to the top cover. Carefully slide the left trunk off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. The right trunk is removed in the same manner. Replacement. Slide the left trunk onto position on the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the two 4.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left trunk to the top cover. Replace the two 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the left trunk to the top cover. The right trunk is replaced in the same manner.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.